Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to teach you how to write capital cursive A to Z. Let's begin. First we will write cursive A. From the third line, take a small turn, go up, take a turn, come down to the third line, go back and then take a turn like this. Cursive A. Now cursive B. From the first line, make a standing line, touch to the third line, take a turn, go back and then make a half circle, again make a half circle and then take a turn. Cursive B. Cursive C. From the third line, go slant, take a turn, come back and then make a big curve. Cursive C. Cursive D. From the first line, make a standing line and then take a small turn and go back and then make a big curve and then take a small turn. Cursive D. Cursive E. From the second line, go slant, take a turn, make a half circle, again make a half circle and then make a turn. Cursive E. Cursive F. From the first line, take a turn like this and then make a standing line, touch it to the third line, take a turn and then on the second line, make a turn like this. Cursive F. Cursive G. From the third line, go slant, take a turn, make a big curve like this and go back to the second line, come down to the fourth line, take a turn and then do like this. Cursive G. Now cursive H. From the second line, go slant, from the first line, make a standing line, touch it to the third line and then make a turn. Then again make a standing line, little bit turn and from the second line, take a turn like this. Cursive H. Now cursive I. From the second line, take a turn, go slant, touch the first line, come down to the third line and then take a turn. Cursive I. Cursive J. From the second line, take a turn, go slant, then touch it to the first line, again come down to the fourth line, take a turn and go back like this. Cursive J. Cursive K. From the second line, go slant, touch it to the first line, come down, make a standing line, take a turn and then from second line, go slant, touch it to the first line, take a turn. Again from the second line, make a slanting line touching the third line and then take a turn. Cursive K. Cursive L. From the second line, go slant, take a turn and then make a standing line, again make a turn and do like this. Cursive L. Cursive M. From the third line, take a turn, go up, touch the first line, come down to the third line, again go back to the first line, come down to the third line and then take a turn. Cursive M. Cursive N. Take a turn from the third line, go back to the first line, come down to the third line, go back to the first line and then take a turn. Cursive N. Cursive O. From the first line, make a circle like this, don't join the circle and take a turn and touch it to the second line. Cursive O. Cursive P. From the first line, make a standing line, take a turn, go back, again make a standing line and then make a half curve. Cursive P. Cursive Q. Just like cursive O, you have to make a circle like this and then from the third line, take a turn like this. Cursive Q. Cursive R. From the first line, make a standing line, take a turn, go back and then make a half circle, slanting line and then little bit turn. Cursive R. Cursive S. From the third line, go slant, touch it to the first line, take a turn, come back and then take a turn like this. Cursive S. Cursive T. From the first line, take a turn, come down, make a standing line, touch the third line and then take a small turn. Cursive T. Cursive U. From the second line, go slant, take a turn, make a standing line, make a curve, go up, come down and then take a small turn. Cursive U. Cursive V. Go slant, take a turn, make a slanting line, go back, make a slanting line and then take a turn like this. Cursive V. Cursive W. Go slant, take a turn, make a standing line, make a curve, go back, come down, again make a curve, make a standing line and then take a turn. Cursive W. Cursive X. From the second line, make a half curve like this, again go back, and on the opposite side again make a half curve. Cursive X. Cursive Y. From the second line go slant, take a turn, come down, make a half curve, go up, come down to the fourth line and then take a turn. Cursive Y. Cursive Z. From the second line make a big curve, then from the third line make a small curve and then take a turn like this. This is how, students, you will do cursive A to Z. Thank you.